Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody is doing great. So guys, this video is going to be a very quick one. I'm going to share a very quick tip with all of you. So in this video, I have used a duppata, and you can also use a scarf, and we are going to create a puff sleeves with that duppata, and which we can use with any of our sleeveless top, and we can turn our old top into a new one within seconds. And this is a very cool tip. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So before we jump in, I would like to say just one thing. As I always say, do give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done yet. And yeah, that's it. Let's watch the video. Before we watch the video, let's focus on new glasses. Isn't it cool? I just love it. Let's watch the video. Wear your scarf inside your top like this, and here take the corners and tie it up against each other. Adjust wherever required. Dream a little dreamer. Repeat the process, and that is it. Your statement sleeves are ready. I breathe to seem to whisper.